This starts as a raw, natural material. At first, it looks rough and unfinished. The surface is carefully cleaned, washed thoroughly, and prepared for transformation. Next, it goes through a tanning process, where special liquids help strengthen the material, while preserving its natural texture. As the process continues, the surface becomes softer, smoother, and much more flexible. It is then dried carefully, pressed flat, and refined for a flawless finish. Rich colors and protective coatings are added, giving it that premium shine and durability. Finally, it is cut into precise shapes, stitched with care, and turned into luxury products. And just like that, what began as a rough natural material becomes leather. Continue watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.